Welcome to our Pakt Packing Cubes set review. In this video, I'm gonna show you the whole set, talk to you about the pros and the cons, and I'm gonna show you exactly what each one of these cubes fits. And if it's not the packing cubes for you, at the end of the video, I'll make some alternative recommendations for some other packing cubes that I think might better suit your needs. All right, let's talk about the gist of the Pakt Packing Cube set. If you're thinking to yourself, I just want a set that handles everything for me, that is also modularly compatible with packed bags, Eureka, like this is it. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece set that includes 2 large packing cubes, 2 small packing cubes, a double zippered pouch, and a stuff sack that carries them all together. Pakt are known for their very intuitive, possibly over-engineered packing bags and duffels, and this works perfectly within that modular ecosystem. They actually come in a few different color options. Altogether, it weighs a very light 7.5 ounces. Some of the unique selling points are going to be this translucent sort of top material, very kind of like mysterious and ghost-like. But it also offers the functional value of being able to see what you packed in each individual cube. You just got kind of a cool aesthetic and feel to it. We've got high quality ripstop nylon on the bottom, very light, but very durable. But one thing to note is these packing cubes are pretty basic. There's no compression or expansion and no other features really. Super simple, super minimalist. And for all that, the whole set runs around 65 USD. And if at any point in this review, you're thinking to yourself, I'm kind of digging this. I'm going to make a purchase or I want to find out more information. We do ask that you do so using the first link in the description below. That link makes sure that you get the best price, and we oftentimes have discount codes. And that link also helps to support the Nomads Nation YouTube channel, which we greatly appreciate. Thank you. Okay, what can it pack? I'm just gonna do one of each. That means I can get rid of one large and one small. Honestly, this is like a big set. For me, like a large and a small is enough for a week worth of traveling. And if I can make it work for a week, I can make it work for multiple weeks, right? You just gotta do laundry. I think the carry pouch is a nice inclusion. No other packing cubes really offer something like this, so it's just a way to kind of keep everything nice and tidy and clean together. All right, so we're gonna load it up with a week's worth of clothes and stuff. I got a bulky towel, bad traveler, I forgot my travel towel. Just wanna showcase what these things can fit. Pair of pants and shorts, 4 shirts, hoodie, another pair of shorts, like my lounge shorts, right? When I'm at the hotel, underwear, socks. Will all this fit into here? Let's find out. All right, first up, let's start with the big boy. One thing to note is that these are not clamshell opening, so you're not gonna get that full clamshell experience, but this can actually help you compress things a little bit more. Clamshell things can get a little out of control sometimes. This allows you to sort of shove things into the corners and pack from there. So I'm gonna put my towel in this guy, right? I don't recommend bringing a big towel like this. There's smaller travel towels, or you can just use the towel at your hotel or Airbnb. But if you're travel in a hostel or you like your own towel, then okay, you get it. Hoodie, then I'm gonna throw my pants and whatnot on top. So we sort of got like the big bulky stuff in this packing cube, right? I didn't put any shirts in there. It's just towel, sweatshirt, shorts, pants. I like these handles too. Nice just to kind of have. You can use this to hang your packing cubes up if you want. And again, that translucent material just kind of, it's nice, it's cool, it's different, it's interesting, I like it. That means for packing cube number 2, the mid-size, I'm gonna throw my shirts in there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts. I could easily fit 2 more shirts, especially how I'm doing them in like this little army roll, right? But we'll say 4 is enough. And then I quite like this packing cube. Very thoughtful, and I like it because double-sided, which for me, somebody who has borderline ADHD, it gives me a little extra organization, so I can put my socks on one side, underwear on the other. And boom, that's a week worth of traveling for me right there, no problemo. And remember too, you're traveling as a couple or a family, you got 2 more packing cubes in the set, 1 large and 1 small. Let's talk about the overall pros and the cons of the Pakt Packing Cube set. Pro number 1 is I love this translucent material, both the way that it looks and just the way that it feels. Pro number 2 is I like the zipper pull. Is this little knot right here just makes it easier to open and to close the actual zippers themselves. And pro number 3 is I kind of like that you have this bag to sort of keep everything organized and together. No other packing cube that I've reviewed offers this. But on the flip side, I got some cons, here they are. Con number 1 is I do think it's a big set. I personally don't need that many packing cubes, so it would have been nice to maybe have 2 options, like a bigger set and a smaller set. Con number 2 is going to be the lack of expansion or compression. And con number 3, they're a bit pricey. But remember, if you've taken all the pros and the cons into consideration, you're like, Aaron, these are the packing cubes of my dreams. And you're gonna make a purchase. Remember, we do ask that you do so using the first link in the description. Thank you very much. But perhaps you wanna, see what else is on the market. I got a couple alternative recommendations I'm gonna throw your way. Alternative recommendation number 1 is going to be the Evergoods Transit Packing Cube. This is for you if you're like, yeah, I didn't need 17 million cubes, just kind of wanted one great one. That's what Evergoods offers. It's one packing cube, and it's a really good one. And to learn more about the Evergoods Transit Packing Cube, take a look at the description below and you'll find a link to our full review. Alternative recommendation number 2 is going to be the Peak Design Packing Cubes. These are a great option for you if you're thinking to yourself, God, I really wanted that expansion and compression thing everyone's talking about. I want this cool pull open system and all those other cool Peak Design features. If that sounds like you, take a look at the description below and you'll find a link to our full Peak Design Packing Cubes review. And alternative recommendation number 3 is going to be to watch this video right here. It's our roundup of the 10 best packing cubes on planet Earth. In the roundup, I kind of break down all the best options in the market so you can easily find the packing cubes that best suit your needs. Be sure to watch it and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or comments. I personally respond to every single comment myself. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Aaron. This is Nomads Nation, and we'll catch you next time.